Hi, Cultural Geography Topics Discussion number 4. Every week I will post a topic, question, or debate about items being discussed in class or that come up in your readings. By the deadline indicated, you will contribute to the discussion and post a minimum of a brief, well-written paragraph, usually a minimum of 5 to 6 sentences, discussing the topic and its connection with concepts being discussed in class. You will post your paragraph in the discussion forum of Blackboard. There will be 4 each worth 50 points for a total of 200 points and may not be made up for any reason. If you post them past the deadline, you may not get full credit. Please check the schedule and look for the dates when these will be due. You will get credit 50 points if you post a minimum of one well thought out, well written paragraph discussing the issues involved. The second component of this assignment is to comment on at least one of the responses written by one of your classmates. You may respond to more than one, but you must comment on at least one of the responses to get full credit. By the way, you guys did very well on the last one. Everybody responded to at least one of the discussions, one of the threads that was presented. Very good job with that. The issues presented up for discussion may involve controversial debates related to a topic in cultural geography. If the issue is a debate, please make sure and present both sides of the issue, and you may provide an opinion of the side of the issue you support. Please be respectful of people with opinions different than yours. Keep etiquette rules in mind as you write your responses. This is the last discussion of a special topic in cultural geography for the intersession. The deadline for your response for full credit is Tuesday, January 23rd by 11:59 p.m. As mentioned in my weekly announcement, please follow the guidelines carefully. Cultural Geography Topics Discussion number 4, Gentrification. What are the impacts of gentrification on low-income inner-city residents? What are some of the benefits and challenges to providing housing for low-income residents in a gentrifying neighborhood? For background information on gentrification, please refer to pages 490 and 491 of the textbook. Thank you and have a good day.